Meh, I feel like playing Builder Boy today. I might go play my VIPs. Oh, caseoh's in the VIP server. Let's go play. Hey caseoh, what's good? You wanna see my bunker? I'll show you my bunker. Caseoh, I'm gonna go down first. You wait here, okay? Okay, good. Let's go down. Let's go. Boom. Caseoh, come down now. Here. I'll bring down the elevator for you. Don't do this, caseoh. Don't do this to us. Caseoh, no! What the fuck? So I'm gonna go shopping and buy some stuff from this corner store. You want anything? Nah, you're not getting anything now. Go eat the whole world, I don't even care. I'll get a Slurpee. The guy's gone from the road, so I'll just take it and leave. Caseoh? Caseoh, what did you do? What did you do? Did you eat the whole world? I did not, I said you should. What did you forget something? Get away from me, caseoh, get away. Did you go on a flight? I'll take that as yes. Hope. I'm ready to go when you are. Wait, why isn't it moving? Caseoh, did you do something to the plane? Because I didn't. Caseoh, where'd you go? Caseoh, what the hell was you